Ladies and gentlemen, all right, we are at Charlestown Classics in St. Charles, Illinois, and had a subscriber reach out and ask if I would take this bike out and let him know what I think of it. This is a 1982 Honda Goldwing with the 1100cc, 1083cc, horizontally opposed four-cylinder engine with a shaft drive, claiming at the time when it was released 81 horsepower, 65 foot-pounds of torque. So let's take this thing out on the road and see what it's actually like. Ooh, actually starts right up. Alright, let's get on the road. So this bike, just to start off with, is very low to the ground. Actually has a really nice seat height though. It's very comfortable. The seat is obviously custom as well. I have no idea if that actually is a proper RPM gauge or not. Let's try going down this direction. Brakes are really strong. Huh. Does not have self-canceling turn signals. No, it was from 1984 or 82, I think. So you got 4 carburetors on this bike. The thing I do like is the fact that there isn't a lot of plastic on it. This thing has been chopped a little bit. I think at the time when this was new, I think this was like 640 something pounds. You'll see all the information obviously already on the intro screen. But you got this plastic tank cover thing. Huh. This is an interesting bike. Very smooth, very easy to ride though. Obviously I have no idea how many miles this has. The position of the bars is really nice. For me, I'm 5'9", I weigh 220 pounds, so the position of everything is kind of right where I'd like it to be. It's not aggressive, it's not ultra relaxed either. It's kind of that midpoint. Honestly, it rides like a sports tourer. And it's incredibly light. Incredibly light. Wow. I love getting a chance to look around and see all these different things about the bike. I mean, of course, the Goldwing has gone through so many different iterations now that the Goldwing now is nothing like this. I mean, it's got some decent grunt to it. I mean, even for its age. And with the modifications, I swear they had to have shaved this down to nearly 500 pounds. It's very, very torquey. Whew. Gets up to speed though. Wow. So, really enjoyable bike just to start off with. Man. I don't know if that fuel gauge is accurate. I have no idea if anything actually works. All I know is it's enjoyable to ride. Oh my God. Oh. Every time I get a chance to ride these older bikes, it's so nice. It really is. It is so nice. That's full throttle. Oh, man. I like it. Got a smile on my face. Anyway, I mean, I've said it before on other videos. I mean, what do you more do you want from a bike than for it to put a smile on your face? You have standard forks, I believe. I mean, yeah, I know this has an air ride suspension on the back, and looks like it's air in the front too. Maybe, I don't know. It's fascinating. So the interesting thing about this is, instead of a push, like, you know, generally, you kind of have to click it back to kill your turn signals. The clutch is not where I'd like it to be. I mean, position-wise, I would like to have adjustable clutch levers, you know, things that I would change on it. But from a ride standpoint, man. Brake check. Brakes are good. There we go. Gotta get through 3 gears to get there. But, yeah. Yeah, that's a quick bike. This horizontally opposed 4-cylinder engine, because of its position on the bike, it is so easy to get on it. It's so easy to lift it up. It's so easy to ride it. Everything is so low to the ground. It is incredibly comfortable to ride. And I'm very, very happy y'all could come along with me on this ride. And hopefully you got something good out of it. Over up. One last pull. Ladies and gentlemen, 1982 Honda Goldwing. Left blinkers on. Sometimes you get to enjoy something different, and this is different and a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this bike, if it's still here, Charlestown Classics in St. Charles. Everybody stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.